Are you ready to replace nPB in your parts cleaning process? nPB has been widely used as an effective and reliable industrial cleaner for metal parts and electronics since 1994. But since that time, it has come under scrutiny by the Environmental Protection Agency, the Occupational Health and Safety Administration, and American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygienists. In 2014, the permissible exposure limit of nPB went from 10 to 0.1 part per million, and in 2018, the EPA added nPB to its Toxic Substance Control Act list. In August 2020, the EPA reported that nPB presents unreasonable risk to human health and should be restricted as a cleaner or degreaser. This report is just a preliminary step for the EPA, which will likely lead to a complete EPA ban by the end of 2022. nPB is already sunset or banned in Europe, and many other countries are likely to follow and ban the use of nPB in the future. So now is the time for you to proactively replace nPB with better cleaning fluids that are less hazardous for workers and the environment. Fortunately, there are a number of nPB replacements that will clean just as well, if not better. One standout replacement is Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid. It provides consistent cleaning quality, cost savings, and better throughput. Plus, it has an excellent toxicity profile, making it safer for people and the planet. Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid has been lab tested and analyzed to ensure the cleaning results are reliable, consistent, and just as good as nPB. Cleaning efficiencies were maintained or improved even on hard-to-remove polar and non-polar soils. Although Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid has a high solvency to dissolve contaminants, it is formulated to not damage delicate substrates. Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid has a lower boiling point and heat of vaporization than nPB. It requires less energy to heat the fluid, resulting in an overall energy cost savings. And since Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid boils at a lower rate than nPB, parts come out of the vapor degreaser dry and cool enough to handle, speeding up the entire production process. Except under the most extreme conditions, such as if exposed to a strong base or acid or exposed to extreme heat, Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluids will not turn acid like nPB. It doesn't need chemical stabilizers or scavengers, or the weekly acid acceptance tests like nPB. Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid is based on more environmentally friendly Hydrofluoro-olefin technology. It has a zero ozone depletion potential and a global warming potential under 10, making it a safe, sustainable nPB alternative. And unlike nPB, it is not considered a hazardous air pollutant and is exempt from HAP testing, documentation, and reporting. Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid is also non-flammable, making it a preferred choice of occupational health and safety officers. Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid's ACGIH long-term exposure limit with a time-weighted average of 8 hours is 200 parts per million. Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid has over 5 years of proven cleaning performance and is NASA approved. So don't wait. A complete nPB ban is certain to happen in the United States soon. Prepare now by proactively replacing that nPB with a better cleaning fluid that is less hazardous for workers and better for the environment. In most cases, Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid uses your existing equipment. After emptying and cleaning the vapor degreaser, Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid drops into your machinery without an appreciable change to the cleaning process. The MicroCare Critical Cleaning Team can help. Our Critical Cleaning Lab can perform cleaning qualification trials on your parts using Turgo Metal Cleaning Fluid to ensure it's the right fit for you. MicroCare application specialists also provide ongoing transitioning support throughout the entire process. For more information or to schedule a consultation with an application specialist, go to microcare.com.